Buying an eSIM for your iPhone can be a convenient and cost-effective way to stay connected while traveling, especially for those running an online business. By purchasing an eSIM, you can avoid the high costs associated with roaming charges from your current service provider. The process is relatively straightforward and can be handled through a website. To start, you'll need to choose your destination, which is a crucial step as it determines the type of eSIM you'll need. If you're only traveling to one country, you can purchase a country-specific eSIM, which is generally cheaper. However, if you plan to visit multiple countries, you may want to consider a regional eSIM, which covers several countries and provides more flexibility, albeit at a higher cost. For example, a regional Europe plan might offer 10 gigabytes of data and cover 35 countries, making it a more convenient option for those with multiple destinations. In contrast, a country-specific eSIM, such as one for Spain, might offer 10 gigabytes of data at a lower price, but it would only be usable within that country. Once you've selected your eSIM, you'll need to fill out the necessary information, including your payment method, and verify the country you'll be visiting. It's essential to note that these eSIMs are data only, meaning you won't be able to receive phone calls, and any calls you do receive will be routed through your primary plan, which may incur roaming charges. After completing the purchase, you'll need to download an app to your iPhone and log in with the same credentials used on the website. From there, you can install the eSIM, which won't become active until you arrive in the designated country. During the installation process, you'll be prompted to allow the eSIM to access your iPhone's information and activate the cellular setup. After the setup is complete, you'll be able to choose which line is your primary and which is your alternate or personal line. To switch between the two, you'll need to access your iPhone's settings, navigate to the cellular section, and select the desired line. By following these steps, you can easily purchase and install an eSIM for your iPhone, making it easier to stay connected while traveling abroad.